everyone, and welcome to the Week 1 discussion. I wanted to spend just a few minutes with you going over the Week 1 discussion so that you can be very successful with the discussion and not leave any points on the table. For this week, our discussion prompt asks you to review the case study below and respond. There are several methods to learn and understand medical terminology. Share with your classmates some of the tips and tricks that you have created to remember specific prefixes, root words, and suffixes. After the prompt, each week we have the discussion expectations, and then you have a discussion checklist that you need to complete. Finally, each week you'll have your discussion rubric, and this is referenced in your discussion checklist where it says, I use the discussion grading rubric to self-assess. So what you want to do is use this grading rubric to make sure that you're meeting all of the criteria to get full participation points in each area. So the first one is responsiveness to discussion prompt. Are you answering all of the discussion prompt, most of it, some parts of it, or are you not answering any parts of it? Your answer to that initial discussion prompt, and remember it's up here in the discussion prompt, is what this part of the grade is based off of. The application of course content says all posts include application of course content, or to reduce your grade a little bit, if only most posts include application of course content, or some posts or posts do not include any application. The next criteria is generating engagement within the discussion forum. To receive full points, generates engagement by asking questions or introducing new ideas to the existing post. So if you're asking questions, they would be asking questions about the information that's shared, or introducing new ideas. If you generate engagement by elaborating on ideas, then you'll get a little bit less points. If you just agree or disagree, then you'll have a fewer points, or if you don't respond, you get 0 points. The next criteria is evidence of appropriate language use and proofreading. So to earn full points, your writing must be free of grammatical, spelling, and punctuation errors. The scholastic honesty, you receive full credit for that criteria if all borrowed ideas are cited properly in text and with references. And this is only if it applies. For your quantity of contributions for maximum points, your initial post plus at least 2 replies to different people for a total of 3 or more posts. And then the timeliness. To earn full points, you must participate on 3 or more days during the week with all posts submitted on time. Now remember, that's if you meet all criteria, you're going to earn the maximum amount of points in each criteria. If you don't meet everything exactly, if you meet most criteria, you're going to earn 75% of the points for that criteria. If you meet few of the criteria, you're looking at 50%, and if you meet no criteria, it'll be 0%. So I hope this information has been helpful for you. I really look forward to seeing what you can contribute this week and to spending the next 5 weeks with you. Let's have a great week.